Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you about this Ferry Morse easy tape for lettuce. It did come as a plantable seed tape. You can see that here. The instructions on the back are super easy to follow. Today is May 27th. I'm in zone 5. And I am having a problem with something getting into the lettuce beds and actually eating everything. Like you can see here how that has been eaten. But what I want to talk today about is, you can see I've got 4 strips here. Here's one. Here's the next one. Here's the next one. And here's the last one. Okay, so I've got 4 strips. I planted them just as close as I could. The actual seed tape was touching in here. What I'm finding is you have to make sure there's no weeds, and there is very much room for weeds in here. Like, look at this. Here's a weed, and here's some more lettuce. So if you want to come out here and just have a cut and come kind of situation, you gotta make sure that you weed this first. I find that kind of annoying. I find it annoying that they're in strips like this too. I would much rather have, now that I have a couple years perspective on both this seed tape and this loose leaf pine tree brand. Once this gets up here, all I'm gonna have to do is take my scissors and come in here and just cut what I want. Kind of like what I've done with the cilantro. I like to just come in here and just get the tops of these and let it keep on growing. And it's easy to do that when it's so compacted. You can't see one weed in here at all. Okay, come on over here and look at this. I don't see any weeds in here either. So to me, my opinion, and this is strictly an opinion, I don't really care for this lettuce in a strip like this, spaced like this, as a loose leaf variety. Now, if you look over here, and yeah, I've got weeds in here too. These are heads. So yeah, I will do these in rows with heads because it's a completely different thing. It's all compact on here. Unless I'm looking around here, I'm not gonna get any weeds in my salad bowl. It's gonna be nice and easy for me. This, I didn't enjoy. I won't buy any more seed tape with lettuce. No strips like this. I'm done with this. I can see this being useful though. If you are going to do a super compact container garden with flowers and vegetables, being able to do that little strip right along the edge of the pot, I can see that being useful here. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I have plenty more on my channel. If you would possibly subscribe, and I invite you to watch my other videos on lettuce and tomatoes and cucumbers and almost anything and everything in the garden.